Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any company among 45,000 worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since January 28, 2025, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.58. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 0.24%. This equates to an average return of 0.08% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a modest upward trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further increases. Analyzing the 3-month trend reveals a potential change of approximately 4.38% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 1.64% to 9.62%. In terms of the 12-month outlook, the trend suggests a change of around 22.18% over the next year, with potential returns between 12.74% and 28.41%. In practical terms, this suggests a price range between $589.70 to $671.66 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ ETF features the headline, QQQ ETF upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Thursday trading session. The QQ ETF price rose by approximately 0.426% on the last trading day, moving from $520.83 to $523.05. During this trading session, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 1.52%, with a low of $518.22 and a high of $526.10. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.23% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also saw a rise on the last day, which is a positive technical indicator, with 2 million more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. Overall, 26 million shares were traded, totaling approximately $13.57 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $539.15, while the lowest price was $413.07. Currently, the price is 2.99%, or $16.10, below the 52-week high of $539.15, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the Invesco QQQ Trust have significant implications for investors in both the short and long term. On the 29th of January, heightened volatility was highlighted due to political developments, with Trump's entrance into office contributing to market uncertainty. This uncertainty can drive option premiums higher, making covered call exchange-traded funds more attractive for dividend investors seeking current income streams. Earlier reports from the 27th of January indicated a sharp decline of 3.1% in QQQ as major tech stocks faced a sell-off, possibly influenced by emerging competition in the artificial intelligence sector. China's DeepSeek AI has sparked fears among United States tech investors, adding to a negative sentiment regarding potential erosion of American artificial intelligence dominance. Such market reactions typically lead to short-term price pressures. However, despite these fluctuations, QQQ has historically shown strong performance relative to the Standard & Poor's 500, benefiting from tech growth. Analysts continue to see value opportunities, especially in cases where diversification strategies are employed to mitigate risks associated with tech concentration and elevated valuations. As market volatility stabilizes, growth-oriented strategies could yield significant long-term gains. Investors should remain attentive to broader geopolitical dynamics and sector-specific trends that may again impact valuation and performance in the tech-heavy exchange-traded fund space. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. There are mostly positive signals in the chart today. The QQ ETF currently exhibits a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, it also displays a buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the ETF, projecting a positive outlook. Should the ETF experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $524.81. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the ETF will find support from the long-term average at around $521.05. A breakthrough above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will lead to a sell signal. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 14, 2025, and to date it has risen by 3.56%. Continued upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 98 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $521.74. This level could present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction may occur when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund exhibits controlled movements, and due to its strong liquidity, the associated risk is considered very low. Over the past day, the ETF moved $7.87 between its high and low, which represents a change of 1.52%. Looking back over the last week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 1.48%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either modest expectations for the company's future or that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQ is at $524.54. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $521.74. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $495.54, which is a decrease of 5.26%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 11 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for QQQ ETF to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 31st of January, we expect QQQ to open lower by approximately 59 cents, starting at $522.46. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.